Are you struggling to keep your customers happy and retain long-term clients? Have you ever wondered how much your customers actually value your service? Meet the Perfex CRM ticket and project feedback module, your ultimate tool for gathering real-time customer feedback, enhancing service quality, and increasing customer retention. With this powerful CRM enhancement, you can instantly collect feedback on tickets and projects, improve response times, and make data-driven decisions that boost customer satisfaction. Key features include custom feedback forms for detailed insights, 1 to 5-star rating system for quick reviews, yes/no surveys and comment sections to understand client needs, automated email feedback requests for seamless follow-ups, advanced satisfaction reports and analytics for tracking improvements. If customer satisfaction is your priority, this is the module you need. Improve your service, boost reviews, and retain more clients, starting today. Let's talk about a major issue businesses face: customer dissatisfaction. Poor service, unresolved issues, and slow response times are the leading causes of customer churn. Did you know that 68% of customers stop doing business with a company due to poor service? And worse, unhappy customers share their bad experiences 3 times more than satisfied customers. Without real feedback, how can you identify areas for improvement? How do you know if your clients are truly happy with your service? Ignoring feedback is like driving blind. Sooner or later, you're bound to crash. That's why every business needs a reliable automated feedback system. Introducing the ultimate solution, the Perfex CRM ticket and project feedback module. With this module, collecting valuable client feedback is easier than ever. Here's how it works. Step 1. Enable the feedback system in Perfex CRM, no coding required. Step 2. Automatically send feedback request emails once a support ticket is closed or a project is completed. Step 3. Customers provide ratings, answer simple yes/no questions, and leave detailed comments. Step 4. The responses are stored securely in your CRM, ready for review and analysis. Step 5. Generate detailed reports to track satisfaction trends, response times, and overall customer experience. And the best part? Everything is fully automated, saving you time while keeping your customers happy. This module helps you identify strengths, fix weaknesses, and take your customer experience to the next level. Stop guessing and start improving based on real feedback. Still wondering how this module benefits your business? Let's break it down. Improved customer satisfaction. Instant feedback helps you address issues before they escalate. Increased client retention. Happy clients stay longer and recommend your services to others. Stronger brand reputation. More positive reviews mean a better brand image and more trust. Time-saving automation. Forget manual follow-ups. Let the system handle everything for you. Data-driven decision-making. Use insights from real customers to make better business decisions. This isn't just a feedback tool, it's a game changer for your business. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with Perfex CRM for a hassle-free experience.